Okay, so introduction into networks. What is a network? A network is a series of dots like this, right? And then lines. I don't know if you guys ever played that game, but it was like where, bro, it was back in the day when I had an iPod Touch, but you would verse your friend, right, to try and draw as many lines as possible, but you wanted to get the most boxes, right? I don't know if you guys remember it, but it was a fun game, and you could even play it by yourself or with a computer. But a network essentially is just a bunch of dots and lines, right? And so this is a network, for example, right? Just a bunch of dots and they're connected together with lines. What you need to know is the definitions for these. So, for example, this dot, right? These dots in the network diagram are called a vertex or a vertice. I can't spell vertice, vertices. All right, there we go. Something like that. All right, you can correct my English later. All right, and then we have an edge here, right? The lines are called an edge, right? The numbers on each of the edges are called weights, right? So the weight of a network or weight of a line, right? And then the last term we need to know is a degree, right? And a degree is simply just how many lines come out of each dot, right? So the degrees of A, 2 lines coming out of it, so it's going to be 2. Degrees of B, 3 lines coming out of it, so it's going to be 3. Degrees of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines coming out of it, so it's going to be 5. Degrees of C is going to be 5, right? So these are the 4 definitions you need to know. Degrees, right? Edges, vertexes, excuse my spelling, and weights, right? I'll see you in the next video.